कंपटीशन हार्मफुल?
तो बहुत दिक्कत हो रही है ना। It's harmful for you, not for others. दूसरे को तो पता भी नहीं चलेगा तुम कॉम्पीट कर रहे हो।
कंपटीशन।
Have you a girlfriend? No. No, I'm just trying to create a suitable example. You see, suppose you have a girlfriend and you are embracing her. Will you see कि मैंने 38 सेकंड तक embrace किया और बगल वाले ने 40 सेकंड तक किया था तो मैं थोड़ा सा पीछे रह गया. Will you compete? Will you compete? If I'm doing it and loving it, where is the thought of competition? Where is the thought of competition? Remember, with the thought of competition also comes the thought of fear. You cannot compete without being afraid. Want to remain afraid? Want to remain afraid?
No.
Only insecure people compete. Only insecure people compete. The others just love what they are doing. And in that loving, excellence happens. Can you be excellent in something that you do not love? Can you be excellent in something that you do not enjoy? I'm asking you. And competition is the enemy of excellence. Because competition means absence of love.
So, but society is such that it compels us to compete even if we don't want to.
Society is an object. And you are?
But then ultimately we have to live in the society.
Who has to live in the society?
Your
Where is
body.
the society? Show me. Show me the society. Wait, I don't know where the society is. He has to show me the society. Show me the society.
After graduating from here, like the relatives and of my.
So there is the relative. All right. There is a relative sitting somewhere. Say he is the relative. All right. He looks like a relative. All right. So what can he do to you? What?
Sir, my question.
Show me what can he do to you.
He cannot do anything to me.
Then why are you afraid? Then why are you afraid? If he tries to kill you, you can dial 100. He can't take away your bank balance. He can't take away your intelligence at least. That's the real thing that you have, that you are. What can he do to you? Why are you afraid? You are 18. Are you? Would be 18 very soon. What? You are already 18. Adult. With voting rights. What can relatives do to you? Even with your current qualification that you have cleared the JEE, you can still earn a lot. Forget about completing BTech. You cleared the JEE, right? What did you? You did. Even with that, you can make sufficient to earn a living for yourself.
So my question was in context to his question that he asked that we are born in a society where competition is given preference.
I'm saying he is trying to make you competitive. Why should you listen to him? He is Tauji. Tauji wants wait. Tauji wants you to compete. Why should you listen to Tauji?
Tauji is not saying me to compete, but the environment which I see around.
What is the environment? Air molecules?
Not environment. People around me.
People. So
when I see them,
these two are competing. These two are people around you.
When I see my own colleagues, students.
These are your colleagues and parents, everybody, right?
Yeah.
They are doing all this. Wait, listen to this. This is not only his story. This is everybody's story. So listen to it as if it's your question. So all these people, they are competing and doing all the nasty things. And they are real bad people. Villains and all that. Mogambo and everybody. So why should you be afraid? Give me a reason why you should be afraid.
Sir, maybe I think that whether if we are intelligent, our parents may not be intelligent.
So
Sir, they may
that gives me, if I am intelligent and if I know that my parents are not acting intelligently, then that gives me a stronger reason not to listen to them. मुझे पता है मैं इंटेलिजेंट हूं इस वक्त और मुझे ये भी दिख रहा है कि वो इंटेलिजेंटली नहीं बिहेव कर रहे हैं, तो मुझे क्या करना होगा? मुझे उनकी बात और माननी होगी या उन्हें मेरी बात माननी होगी?
But how to convince them?
अगर नहीं कन्विंस हो रहे तो मान लो नहीं हो रहे, इट्स पॉसिबल कि नहीं हो सकता है। तो मुझे अगर पता है अभी कि तुम दोनों हो और तुम दोनों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा, नहीं इंटेलिजेंट बिहेव कर रहे, तुम्हारा अटेंशन नहीं है, तुम्हारी कंडीशनिंग बहुत गहरी है किसी वजह से, तो तुम मेरी बात नहीं समझ पा रहे, ठीक है? और मैंने ये भी देख लिया है कि मैं तुम्हें कन्विंस नहीं कर सकता, व्हाटएवर दैट मींस, कन्विंसिंग, जो भी मतलब है उसका, मैं तुम्हें नहीं कर पा रहा हूं। तो अब मैं क्या तुमसे कन्विंस हो जाऊं? मैं ये सवाल सबसे पूछ रहा हूं, ये दोनों हैं, इनकी कंडीशनिंग हो सकता है बहुत गहरी हो, और कंडीशनिंग एज के साथ बढ़ती है। द मोर एक्सपीरियंसेस यू हैव, द मोर डीपली कंडीशनड यू आर। तो इनकी कंडीशनिंग बहुत गहरी है। मुझे दिख रहा है कि मेरी बात इन्हें स्पष्ट नहीं हो पा रही है, दे कांट लिसन टू मी, राइट? एंड दे हैव देयर ओन रीजंस एंड ऑल। देन व्हाट मस्ट आई डू? स्टार्ट एक्टिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर ऑर्डर्स? व्हाट विल आई डू? व्हाट मस्ट आई डू? मुझे दिख रहा है साफ साफ कि ये कंडीशनड लोग हैं, तो मैं क्या करूं? अगर मुझे दिख ही गया है कि ये कंडीशनड लोग हैं, तो मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? And whose intelligence?
Sir, but they don't mean to. Those two people doesn't mean anything to you, but our parents mean. I mean,
They don't want to harm us.
Oh, of course they don't want to harm us, but then if I act according to what they are doing, saying, will I be harming myself or not?
Yes.
Is that what they want?
No.
In your intelligence, you know that if you act according to what they are doing, you'll be harming yourself. Is that what any one of you wants?
No.
You also know in your intelligence that what they are doing is harmful even for them. That what must you do? The right thing.
So right thing may have different meanings, like
No, it doesn't have different meanings.
So
Not at all.
right
No,
thing
no, no.
For us,
Opinions have different meanings. An action coming out of intelligence has no meaning at all. Forget about different meanings. It is what it is. It is what it is. Right is right. It is not a question of individual opinion कि मेरी नजरों में ये right है और तेरी नजरों में वो right है. ये कोई opinion की बात नहीं है.
So two intelligent beings will act exactly the same way in the
See, no two beings have exactly the same conditions. So this question is very hypothetical. No two beings have exactly the same conditions. But what is guaranteed is both of them will act out of their intelligence. Their own intelligence.
so the last one which we stopped this session last time was gambling. So if I think I'm doing the right thing, I'm being intelligent when I'm
No,
gambling.
intelligence is not a thought. You see, I think I am being intelligent, then you are already unintelligent. Intelligence is first of all not a thought. You know what thought is.
Sir, Charles Darwin, in his evolution theory, stated a term survival of the fittest.
In a physical way, yes, the brain knows that.
And he actually he said that the different species they compete among themselves, and the
Correct.
best who are remaining they go to next level.
And the brain has learned that.
So don't you think that I want to say that the competition here also we have to the scenario we see around us.
No, there is no.
That is also, I think.
No. In the world of human beings, fittest means the wisest. Fittest means the one who can exercise intelligence. Yes, it is very true. The fittest survives. There is no doubt about it. You know, when I was in hostel, there is a beautiful pic of Aravali where I had got it written on the wall. Yogya Jan Jeeta hai. The fittest prevails. But what is this fittest? What is this fittest? Fittest here means the one who is. Yes. See, when material and material are competing, then intelligence is going to win hands down. Hands down. That is the reason why man has been able to master material. Today man is able to master material or not. Fittest क्या है? Fittest वही है, intelligent है. उसमें कोई competition नहीं है. Intelligence doesn't compete.
So, for example, there is a child in school. He wants to study, but to progress to the next class, he has to pass. So that for that.
How will he pass? If I love what I am doing, will I not pass? Will I not pass? Who is bound to get a better CGPA? The one who is afraid of examinations, the one who looks at CGPA and gets afraid, so that is the reason he goes to study, or the one who loves what he is studying, who is going to have a better CGPA? What makes you think that fear gets the work done? See, that is how you have lived so far.
What I mean to say is, at that time we don't think about all these things. So, over those years we were conditioned to compete.
Yes, that is how it has happened. That is exactly how it has happened.
So take an example of the JEE only. We want that we know that IITs will provide the good opportunities for further studies. But the seats are limited, we have to compete. So we have to compete.
You are not competing. Competition is a thought. You are solving that problem. When you are solving that problem, are you competing? No. Competing is a thought that comes before and after solving that problem. When you are solving it, if at that time you start thinking of competition, can you solve it? जब जेई का पेपर दे रहे हो और उस प्रॉब्लम में सॉल्व कर रहे हो, बीच में कोई आगे कान में बोल दे क्या कंपटीशन बहुत है, अब वो सॉल्व कर पाओगे? और हर बार जब तुम एक क्वेश्चन में बिल्कुल एंटर कर रहे हो, तभी वो आगे कान में बोल दे कंपटीशन मत भूल जाना, याद रखना, कर पाओगे? So what gets you selected? Competing or attention? In fact, competing prevents you from getting a good rank. तुम में से जितने लोगों का जेई का पेपर खराब हुआ होगा, उनमें से बहुत लोग इधर उधर देख के कंपटीशन के बारे में ही सोच रहे होंगे. बहुत लोगों का जेई पेपर इसलिए खराब हुआ होगा क्योंकि वो अगर सेकंड अटेम्प्ट होंगे तो अपने फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट के बारे में सोच रहे होंगे. बेटा पिछले साल भी मैं आया था, यही सेंटर था, यही माहौल था, यही दिन थे. Are you getting it? और ऐसी ही लगी, जैसे पिछली बार ऐसी इस बार भी लगेगी. Competition does not get you anywhere in life. Attention does. Competition की जितना सोचोगे उतना पीछे जाओगे. सोचते रहो competition क्या, I'm competing. इससे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी. Yes. Are we through with all the questions?